Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to set up the Urban Studios new trunk system. So before we start, make sure you guys own the vehicle spawner version 3. This is required for you guys to run the trunk system. Without that version 3 vehicle spawner, you guys are not going to be able to use this system. Also make sure to go to files and experience settings and security. Make sure to turn on your HTTP requests and API services are on. This is required for all Urban Studios to run. And if you guys are a first time Urban Studios user, make sure you guys have this framework and you set up this framework into the required spaces. So the framework has to go in replicated storage, the server script has to go, this has to go into the server script, and the other hook has to go in started player scripts. Make sure you guys set it up, and once you guys set that up, you should have your trunk system here as well. Just want to cut this and go down to framework, and in this folder here called systems, you want to just paste that in. Let me take out my vehicle from their vehicle spawner so I can show you guys how to set this up on time. Right. Okay, in the trunk system, in the readme, there's going to be a folder called item storage, a weight, a vehicle config, a trunk, and yeah, that should be it. This item storage, you guys just want to drag this over to the server storage, the weight, whatever tools that you guys have in the game that you guys want players to be able to store. You're gonna copy this. So like in my starter pack, I have the chav, I have a license, and I have a RFID. Paste the weight into these items. I'm gonna want them, okay, and the value here is how much they weigh. So I'm gonna put the chav to weigh 2 and RFID to 1. And then all you guys gonna do now is just duplicate this and drag this into the server storage underneath the item storage folder that you guys put in server storage. And now we have a vehicle config. This is why vehicle spawner version 3 is required for this. You guys are gonna want to cut this, and then in your vehicle, for those that own vehicle spawner version 3 already, you guys are gonna have an old vehicle config here. You guys are gonna want to remove that. You guys are gonna want to paste in this new config. As you guys can see, it has a new option here, which is trunk system config. You guys can put police to false. This, as you guys can see, you can set this to true if this is a police vehicle. You guys can change the trunk capacity. So this vehicle, I would say I only want 10 items. You guys could change the price of the vehicle in here. You guys can change the brand, the category. You guys can change this, the speed, the acceleration and stuff. The speed and acceleration and stuff is like, it's like a GUI in the vehicle spawner. It's not the actual speed of the vehicle, just letting you guys know. But yeah, once you guys set that up, I think that should be it. Am I missing something? Oh yes, I am definitely missing something. So now we have to set up the trunk. So you want to cut this, I'm gonna paste that there. Okay, now at this trunk here, you guys see this interact. You guys are basically gonna want to try to position this interact at the back of the trunk. Kind of don't put it like directly in the trunk. Kind of like leave a little space here so you can actually interact with it. And then once you guys position that properly and it's good, you guys could just cut this as well. Go back to your vehicle and paste it into the body at the original location. Then you guys can cut this and you can put it back into your vehicle spawner. Okay. Let me just copy this and I'll put that. Alright. Okay, let me just test it and show you guys that it works. Okay, so it's this. So this is what I meant by the speed and acceleration. As you guys can see, it shows you guys how the speed and acceleration on the vehicle spawner. Okay, so let me see. Okay, as you guys can see, the trunk works. I already have some stuff in my inventory, and as you guys can see, I can store these items. And as you guys can see, like when you don't have the weight in the item in the tool, and you guys try to store it, it shows this item cannot be stored. So yeah, that's pretty much how you guys set up this system. If you guys need any help with setting up this system, and also by the way, this has a data storage to it. So basically what I mean by that is that if you guys put stuff in your trunk and you guys leave the game and you guys come back and you spawn your vehicle, these items will still be in your trunk. So yeah, that should be it. If you guys need any help setting up this product up, setting up this system up, feel free to contact us in the Urban Discord. We'll be there to assist you.